shit in a scandal bag.
Yeah, I don't do that.
Eh? No, I can't do it too.
Yeah, for the one. Hey.
Too shit in a scandal bag.
You never gonna pay a long time? Oh, where you get it from?
Black lead, yeah, what?
So I ask you.
So, what, you missing something? You missing
No,
what?
I've never seen that before.
Because it's always in my jewelry box. Remember, I don't like jewelry like that.
But why are you wearing now though?
Box set, Capo come the video.
Alright.
What's up, AC gang? Going on a good girl, Abby.
And your boy Capo there.
Back with another
blazing
video. So, guys, as you can see by the title,
Today I'll be asking my girlfriend Abby some awkward questions.
what you?
Yeah, more say she gonna respond to the question, guys.
Eh?
Yeah. If you're new, smash
Please
the like button.
subscribe.
Oh yeah. Subscribe to the channel.
I will go over to Abby and Capo JA, that's our main channel.
I'm gonna subscribe over there, so.
We'll go over to Abby's channel so the good girl answer.
See there? Naturally. And subscribe to Capo's TV.
Dirty woman named Capo, and
Don't
guys,
forget to turn on the bell, guys. Turn on notification.
that's
bell.
what drop our video, I want to get notified same time.
Yeah.
And remember, follow up on the gram down there, so. Right down there, right down there.
Oh, I'll chuck that. You think that you fought a while ago?
Don't think you fat.
So no further talking.
Let's break
Into the video. Yeah, go on.
I'm gonna skin out this guy now.
Alright, go on. Go on. Yeah, watch it. Next time you pop your pop out there, buddy, you know. See that you buddy.
Yeah, guys, so drop a comment.
Jack the
Let's
question
go with
there.
it.
Alright,
I
we have a
want
couple
them-
questions for you, well, you know.
I'm a lipstick smudge.
Lipstick smudge. Ready. Has any man ever reject you?
Anyone ever reject me?
Yeah, like how you say, what say look Capo. You ever look a boy yet and reject you?
Capo, you're the first boy I ever looked in my life.
So you never get rejection yet?
Never ever get rejection.
Never.
Never.
Cause one time you look at man and say yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. I like you worry about time when you look at man. One look small sample.
I'm say what someone tell me that say I wanna do, but I'm say boy you look good. You know, but me no will. You know, I'm
Alright.
just send me look at that.
So,
Actually,
between me and you and AC gang, you ever been attracted to another girl?
of course. I've been attracted to enough girl.
No, I don't understand what you mean.
No girl, yeah, as in, if I ever find a girl attractive before.
Yes.
Yeah.
You ever want to be intimate with them?
You trying to put me in the sun now? Yeah.
So you're a lesbian?
I'm not a lesbian.
You are pansexual?
I don't know what name, so. Everyone gonna come use the college
Alright,
sticks
but
for
why?
me, you know,
So
for
that-
camera, you know. People, what is define that?
So, pansexual are when you're there with anybody. Find anybody
Is it?
attractive.
Okay.
So may I ask you now, which girl you find attractive?
Right now, the girl that I'm actually, you know, I'm
Girl
not
then?
like, you have some nice girl on Instagram.
But you don't like them like that?
I like them.
One if when you look upon them, you say, Bumba, I don't want to kiss up a girl.
Alright. Truth be told, I always fantasize about, Capo don't know this. We know all know what, but I always fantasize about Rihanna.
No, Bushy.
Yeah, and the next one I Shansi.
Shansi, yeah?
And especially when they watch the girl music video, the girl go on with that, I say, what's your favorite store?
They like
Talk
it.
to people,
They
talk
like-
to
they
the,
like-
for the females, talk to them on the side.
They like Shansi,
Yeah. Girl have a
Dirty
house.
girl.
But I talk to she and Rihanna, all two girls, me that's the me that actually talk to. You never expect it, well, now you know what's good.
Well, I'm not feeling away still. Alright,
Oh my God.
a question now. What do you think about homosexuality?
Homo.
Yeah.
As far as me concerned, guys, if somebody, nobody want to live them live. I'm not the one to judge. I'm not gonna judge nobody.
So what if your son become a gay?
I'll try my best not to make him become a gay, but if him do become a gay, I don't know if I have no son. If I actually have a son and him become a gay, that I just feel choice.
Yeah.
Me can only talk, about it's up to him now for either take the target or actually go for what him actually like. So me can't stop that. I have to just support. Of course, I have to just support him same way.
Are you my fish? You support again?
It's Capo, I've been supporting them. I go to school with Asi Batman and all them so many.
Alright. What is the nastiest thing you ever done in your life? In your life, the nastiest thing you ever done?
Yeah. Shit in a scandal bag.
Yeah, I learned that.
Eh? No, I can't need to!
You have to do what? Hey!
Don't shit in a scandal bag! Don't tell the truth! No, tell the truth!
I expose it. I can't about this.
No, I'm crazy. Shit in a scandal bag, guys. Guys have more reasons.
Thing you ever did? Yeah?
I think so. Can't have me shit in a scandal bag in a people's house. I did it in people's house.
People's house?
People's house. I did it more than once.
No, back.
No, back in the house, Capo. I did it more than once. When I was younger and then when I start talk to you and me, I start do the shit in a bag thing. Retro! See with some people.
Yeah. Why you wear so much makeup?
Why am I wear so much makeup?
Yeah.
To you, remember I asked you, you think I wear so much makeup?
I be answering question, no? Why you like wear makeup so much?
I don't like wear makeup so much. Believe me, I don't want to go and fling off, fling off like stuff on my face. I just wear makeup sometimes. You know, sometimes you just feel like you want extra pretty up and stuff. Plus, guys, I have a lot of makeup, so why not use them up? And then I want to learn how to do makeup. So each time I put on makeup, it's just like a learning process for me. That's why I do it.
Oh.
Yeah.
And look, I have a question where. Alright, a question I should ask me before, so I ask you back right now. What does your period smell like?
Period smell like raw blood, like blood. Cause blood, you know, my blood, you know, so it, you know, you ever like, alright, remember you come from bad people place and so, you know.
Don't come talk about where I come from.
So never yet,
no,
blood.
nobody a bleed yet. Don't come
no,
out.
I say no, say nobody a bleed, you know.
Oh.
Say, cause them, a regular, them, well, say them would kill people and then the blood and everything, they would same way. And,
so this smell like, alright, you can make it easier, like all, them kill our chicken and they sit in there, chicken blood cycle.
I don't care record chicken blood scent.
But
it has a raw scent.
Alright.
That's what it smells like. It has a raw scent.
Alright.
Yeah.
You ever smell another girl period?
Yeah. Oh God, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So where you angle that?
Me not ugly, don't I?
I mean ugly, don't I? The girl must have near to you when that period, so what happened?
Alright, we used to do tracks, right? I don't know, like, you know, when I go to school and so on, some people just will run out of me at the time the girl run out of stay free and so therefore I don't know she never change her whole one because when they not change it for certain, you know, you have to time it, you know, it actually eventually gonna start smell, so you have to know when to change it. So I assume say at the time she never did change. She never have to change it because I should have changed it because nobody know I smell like that. Cause I'm surprised to see me actually smell them too. You know, I never know someone could actually smell the person too. But what I did was, like, I'm all up. I said, I have an extra stay free. Nobody want to stay free. And more than one person asked for it. So I just hold it up and whoever grab it. That's what I did.
That actually smart, you know?
No, for sure. Like,
that's what I actually
do. Extra stay free. Nobody want to say, come back. I don't actually smell the same, you know? And a girl I'm used to power with her, so, you know, so what. It's like sometimes you don't know if I approach people and you don't know what they feel some type of way, right? But if you have friends, you're supposed to do that, you know, but you have some people who take it. But I don't know, some people mad.
They feel that way about it.
Yeah, they feel that way and shame.
But tell you already, you know, one time I'm in grade 8, you still have some girl I'm so close to. You see me, for a morning time. And one time, she smelled me. Tell you about it, man.
You tell me, so she said I'm green.
She tell me.
No, she said somebody.
Somebody, she said it, man.
I don't care, I tell them I'm green, what you don't know, I'm saying
to that. You know, say she, but come here and I is a bro, you see me. I'm going to say, yo, no, then time, never bag of khaki close to you, so I repeat that, man.
Yeah, I repeat that, I'm now wash them, it's green up in
I wear 2 days, and the other one 2 days, alright, so alright, then wash it.
We know what the things say, we used to do that, but we used to watch it, make sure
somebody. I couldn't forget that, I grade 8, she tell me some, you know what I say? Because then time I run down every day, I play ball and go do tracks in the evening, so don't know. Yeah, go smell away.
Let me put it in green and Capo. And then they will come for good girl.
Alright.
How dare you?
Abby.
Yeah.
Don't lie.
I just somebody name.
You ever gotten jealous? Seen another couple?
Seen another? What do you mean jealous?
You're jealous at the relationship.
Not jealous, but when we were the worm, no. not jealous, but
feel like you want
I
something
feel
like
like more, yeah. I feel like me that think sometimes I say, why me and my partner can, you know, act so lovey-dovey and them somebody. It's not jealous, it's just, you know, you want it for yourself too. You never a bad mind nobody for them nice relationship. Because let me tell you this, I one time I hear the people like, if I forget yet, one girl I talk to one boy, I see him treat her good. I hate the girl, and I see them nice, I admire them relationship.
Okay, and you want something like that?
I'm going to want something like that. So no matter how much I hate the girl, and so once the relationship just look loving her, so alright.
Where your phone? The phone there, sir?
Yeah, there, sir.
Alright, what your last thing you search for on Google? Or on Safari?
The last thing we say, that's the girl.
You see that? Gold dress with tulle skirt. Yeah. Alright, next question. Would you die for anyone?
Would I die? But then, I used to say I would die for my niece, but as time passed, you know, I realized I feel parents them need for dead for she. So no, I wouldn't.
Your life or your life? You know?
My life or your life, and at the same time, people, I'm afraid of death. I don't know. I'm afraid.
Alright, hope so we don't dead no time soon, not bored. Alright, next question. I go sad all ago. People, I'm afraid of death.
True.
I feel like more get up and run.
And now because I said that, I say nobody for come after me now, please.
Yeah. Alright, next question.
I'm protected by the Most High.
Protected by the Most I mean?
The one whom I love.
Yeah.
And him love me too, and love everybody.
Next question, Abby. Be real with me now. Would you live a long and boring life, or a short and memorable one?
Yeah, but me that.
Short me like our age now, you know, or younger, or you want to stay old, but the life will be forgotten. The story never been told.
Why you be live long and boring life?
Long and boring life?
Long and boring life. Can't know me not go boring.
No, but you know you do boring, but you don't get to experience nothing, you don't get to travel the world, you don't get to meet no. You just
me alright, me don't want dead fast.
It's a work go.
You don't want to die fast.
You want to die a hero?
No, I rather dead boring.
Like a Bob Marley didn't mention 30 years old.
Yeah.
Forever.
Him legacy live on and everybody can achieve that.
But I
me rather live a long and boring life, right true?
Long and boring life.
Long and boring, right true. No, I did no young, no fast.
Alright, you're in a relationship right now. Would you pay most of the bills in the house? I think I am man to do that.
The boy them for do it.
So what if you and him?
No, let me tell you. If we're in a relationship right now, we live together and all of that, we have to just go sort out the bills them like that person can control that part, the local part, and the next person can control the local part. And the man not supposed to do everything because at the end of the day, you know, the moment him go broke so many times, suppose you don't really have much.
Suppose you pull more weight than the man.
Suppose me pull more weight?
Yeah.
Me have to take over the if me pull more, as in bring in more money.
Yeah.
Therefore that now me have to try and take the higher bill then.
So you feel like if you have pull more weight, you feel like it affect all the man, like you want to pay the most of the bills, it not affect the man ego.
Oh, it affect the man. If you want it affect him ego.
You probably start say certain things to the man and move certain way because you know you have to pay the bills them or the most bills.
Not necessarily.
So
it depends on the relationship.
So
why would I do that?
I'm bug, you know? Don't move.
Get out! Take it off!
Don't move.
What bug on the my eye?
Fly in the eye.
Yeah, guys, I will, you know, well, I have to just go try and start with somebody and then we talk and say, you know what, this is not working, okay, ever make it, and then we try and see how best we can make more money.
Oh.
Yeah.
You would style man. Because the man is a hard-working man, you know, but in them job,
if I'm a hard-working man, why
set.
would I style it?
No, because you have some people, some girl, or you some man too.
Yeah, but if you don't have a vision and we say money is the issue, we're not going to try and invest to try and get more money coming. Because you know that we are trying, we're young and we are trying, we are sell trap. Hey, guys, people, we are sell tripod and ring light and them so many. Right, true. So,
plug you, man.
Yeah, yeah, so we are selling tripod them, but we have a combo deal going right now, you know. So the 6-inch ring light and the tripod, both you get for $3,000. If you go buy the ring light by itself, that's a $2,500. And if you go buy the tripod, that's $1,000. So the combo deal now,
you get the best of both worlds.
You get the best of both worlds. So you get the ring light and the tripod just for $3,000.
Yeah.
I like you.
Well done.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, you have to just invest for get the more money, you know.
Alright, next question. Depends, I don't know where you grow still, but more after this. You that open the car door for your man,
Me don't want me do it for enough time, what you mean? Especially when the hand full, I come out with someone.
No, man, no
If I come out...
I'm no fool. Me not the car sit down from my phone and I text stuff.
Then if you text my phone, why me to come out and
I
open
come
it?
on.
Me don't open it just for say, Dirty Capo, you're the super! Now come and get the damn car, Dirty Capo!
Alright, next week now. Yeah, you see me I come, you know the car, you know, why you the driver? You know the car, pull up and you see me at the forward, no, boom up there. You see me?
Yeah.
You see me at forward, yeah, come out of the car, come put my door for me.
Me, eh?
Like how they see them show them when the man them come out of them car, driver seat, park car.
Why would I do that?
And pull the door for the girl.
Why would I do that?
No be a gentle lady.
I mean, the time I gentle lady title, eh?
Say you not
Me pull up, you come in the car.
So you not put the door for me.
No, I'm not put. If you
you
walk, yeah.
Unless you not cuss him off.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Society say man for open the door for unless as I say I'm full and them somebody I will surely put the door for you.
Okay, fair enough. What the first thing you notice when you see a man?
Yeah, the first thing
Like how you see me, what the first thing you notice?
for you now, yeah, yes, the first thing me notice because at the time I was a fan of Mohawk pan man.
Oh.
I just didn't like that look of Mohawk somebody.
So alright, so when you go on the road now and you see a man, can you see look on man now?
Oh.
So where you look on them when you see
I look on them body.
body?
Their masculinity. Yeah, at the time
Yeah,
college
go on,
boy.
yeah, go on,
Right!
So you look on him body structure?
Yeah, I look at the body structure, guys.
Alright.
Because I don't know what type of buzz. The body structure, I want to, if them a pass me, say I'm gonna pass. Because I'm not telling like people, I don't know some about me, enough girls, other girls say to mom, if a man a walk past me, try to sniff him. Worse if I see him and I say, good and some, I want to see the looks, if the looks match up to the scent.
Oh.
So when if I see him, I say, man, I'm good here when I walk home. And then when I'm you reach near me, I go so for try to smell. You know what?
I mean,
Yeah, that's you.
alright. I'll ask you this now.
I couldn't nobody else I can ask.
I'm just sniffing man now.
I say, me not gonna get obvious Capo in my walk past. You know when time somebody walk past.
Like, make a man right now, you see a man
I
pass.
sniff the
You have sniff man
man.
same way.
Right, true. But I'm not for sniff. It
So
come
you
like,
smell good, I tell him.
no, I'm not. Sometimes it slip out in the car. When I time, enough time, when time I smell him, I say, it smell good here. And they be to ask him, like, what the perfume name is. So, but sometimes when time I say that, them laugh. I'm not get for ask them what kind of perfume. You know, when time I say, oh, it smell good here. They will laugh and say thanks and go with them business.
Alright then. Oh, next question now, Abby.
I could have Bobby.
Would you stay in a physically abusive relationship if everything else perfect?
Yes. There's no way we cannot get
Alright.
being everything perfect.
Everything else than that.
Everything else perfect. There's no
So the
way
man
we
make sure you have food, make sure you're hot on the gram,
No.
hot in a real life, you buy the best car.
I'm not telling no being
best-
from no man.
Abby, the man buy everything you need.
I'm not telling no being from no man. That's why you're supposed to be independent for yourself.
The man
Man,
give you
ladies,
whatever.
when you start make man beat you, because at the end of the
You
day,
beat it
them
often,
something-
you beat it like once a month.
So where my baby for?
Okay, sometimes some things like you man come home and not put the food on time.
Oh, so if you get me for that, no. I'm not gonna do it. Ladies, stop it, don't and no man beat them because I've known so many situations where man beat them woman. It might not affect you now, but in the long run, woman end up develop cancer from most of them beat no day when them get. Like I know enough people who actually happen to. It's do not tell nobody from no man. They might not know, might not know say it will kill you, but the being actually affect you in a later on. Don't tell them beat from no man.
Years.
If you are fighting, fight him back.
And then
Go out fighting. You have to stand up to the moment him beat you the first time and you don't fight back. You must say, maybe him do it as a regular thing. You have to fight back. I make him know what to. Right, true.
alright. A question is similar but different. So would you date a man that satisfy all your needs but him not believe in a God?
No, anybody may talk to believe in God, but sorry. We have to can pray together when we feel like something not go away.
Alright, I'm try to make it more fun. You don't believe in Jesus.
You don't believe in so we must believe
Some
in.
other gods.
So therefore you have a different
have a religion.
Christian, they have a different religious belief.
Yes.
That not gonna work. Both me and the person have Christianity belief.
But not one
So
of
me
them
cannot be Christian and him a be Buddhism and I worship. How I go one bag of gods and you know you have some another religion.
So you would be on a common ground?
No.
Remember saying that you can't compromise.
It not gonna do.
Everything else, man,
It
everything
not
else
gonna
good except the religious part.
No, I don't think it's so. We have to pray to the same God.
So now you go try to convert him.
No, why would I want to do that? If I'm actually strongly believe in a film God, it's not my place to try and converse. That would be like him try to bring me from Jesus
You know
to
what?
film. So.
What if you meet the man, right? The man talk for a good while, like maybe a year blow off and
You know,
never
how
topic
long?
never come up with about religion.
And then what?
Can ever just busy at other things, right? You know, not talk about religion. And then the ear say, looking on get connected.
So yeah, tell me say not even no moment in a relationship where I say, boy, I have to thank God, you know.
Yeah.
Not one.
When you say thank God, you never say thank Jesus, so the man don't mention nothing.
But I would know say God be called.
Yeah, but God then calling God to in that case. But he never see her pray. And he never see my pray. So he must say, no. And then eventually find out me a Muslim.
I never have to stop that.
No matter how you
No
connect
matter
with
how,
religion.
yeah. I feel like that, you have to put God in my
That's
God.
why
in
I say
everything.
religion and division.
Yeah, you know.
Division, you know what I mean?
That's why when time you start out in a relationship, you have to know them things. You have to ask questions.
Yeah,
you can't just jump in a relationship without knowing certain things because at the end of the day, you need to find out information before you take it serious.
Yeah, but look, you know, for me, if my girl is a Muslim, want to can meet on a common ground,
What do you mean meet pan come and
we
go?
have other things, other common interests, and about religion alone. Because religion divide people just like politics, you know. So if you can worship your God and
That's what I'm saying. Why would you want to somebody who was serve a different God? Why not just find
because
somebody?
at the end of the day, you're still spiritual and not serve God, but a different name of. So me feel like I would work with a girl. Once everything is nice, you have me eyes see me, I don't be blocked by things.
Me I be blocked by the Bible and Jesus and I show them
Yes,
me
yeah,
watch
for me-
and I'm
for me
a
eyes.
believer. So me not go talk to nobody who worship a different God. That's just not me.
people, for me eyes there.
That's just not me. Me not talk to nobody. who-
Just like politics. They almost did a man have a different political view from you.
Eh?
So they the American way, they the man will support Donald Trump.
What? That's not true.
Not Trump, no, not too much. Not even we
Yeah,
don't
but
talk
when
to
you talk to a boy,
We talk to about Trump, so that we can't ask that. So move on. But the religion part, you understand where I come from?
no, me not look for
Guys,
where
you
I
understand
come
where I
from.
come
Me
from?
would
Comment
do
down
it.
below,
Some
guys.
people would do it. You say you would do it. I said
Yeah.
I would not. Because as me say, in the starting of the relationship, you have to know them certain things there. You have to ask questions. Because remember one time when I go on dates, so you have to question.
You have to question each other and I go see how much you know alike, how much you know differ.
So therefore, I'm just now one of my feel like say, the relationship can work and the relationship can work. Like, as
Alright.
I say, I can't talk about it.
People, religion always bring in enough controversy to not talk about it. So tell me what you think down below. Would you talk to a girl or a guy who have a different religious belief from you? If you start making a lot of money, where do you do the money?
Yeah, but if me start making a lot of money, I will continue to invest in order to bring in more money.
So
What
like-
else should I
So
do
where
with
do
it?
like where do you invest in that?
Like any business
Tell
I
me
feel
something
like
you
say
can
I run
go-
the
tell me something you can
market.
go beat and take idea.
I can't know anything when I feel like say I sell in the market, that's what I would jump in.
So you would jump in on a fancy car fast.
Why would I do that? I can make enough money where I can buy the fancy car and still have enough money. For yeah. Then I go to invest and get a big money, then I go buy a car. So unless I maybe a tax me, I run with them and not for myself.
So
Then
anything
I
I
put
buy,
a
I
tax
buy
on.
things that can generate more money. In pocket.
Yeah.
Alright, then I
Bring in more
like our
money.
mindset.
Of course, Capo.
You know, you guys have some talk to her and have a look at minority mindset in my life about her, isn't it? You go on. You don't take it, no, dry, come. Yeah, you blush a while ago, yeah.
Blush for
You just blush a while ago,
You know
really.
how long me no blush?
If your man told you to stay home and don't work because he can take care of you, would you do it?
No, I don't know. No. I from tell me to stay home, maybe me that find a online somewhere do.
Say you want to always have your look independent.
Yeah, because the boy that come start people. Don't when a man come telling about, oh, don't worry. I from telling them when him go away, if you know say, once him when the talk to do, the man come tell him say, don't worry, cause stay home.
Remember say things are changing in a second now. Suppose the man dead, or the man in an accident.
Boop, and then you not even know about him will and them some of them boop.
You know
All
that-
that
you know
money
that
gone
will.
in them.
Put them
People
name or
name
put the
or
other
so.
family name. You don't know.
I have to know, man, I'm telling you don't work and they will bring. Alright, say if I'm telling that and I'm bringing the money, try to make sure say every dollar, because some woman do go through that, you know. Just make sure say every dollar what he gives you, you save, like you put on the
That is my
account,
saving.
something that's if, as I say, shit go down, you know, you have that look up, some of the panel, he don't know about it, you have to make him know about it. You might get the money, you make the money to good use, you cook and do what you're supposed to do, but still flinging some of the money, you know.
Alright, Abby.
Right there, sir.
Right, that's it done, guys. So,
Right,
Abby,
you
our
know?
last question, you know?
Ah, good. After that chance, you make a prank here, and I don't think I'm
Prank
about
over.
that. Hey!
That was the last question, guys.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. We have to make sure I tell them because I reason like I am and I don't want to be a man so. I don't want to see young female being a yaman. I don't want to see young female male being a yaman too. Yaman. I don't know when I don't want to come out.
You understand?
Because I read the relationship can go with something. You know?
Yeah, guys. So I'm actually glad to answer question them. You have to say, don't feel like it. You know, all they should have been me. So guys, they should have been for giving another chance in them. I consider it. I consider it. She doesn't move.
Hey, moving up before we start chat about this.
Look at 1%.
Moving up before we start leg everything about this.
Yeah, guys. So, you understand? She earn her strike back.
Yeah, I know. You know what? One more now.
You got nothing on me, baby. Yeah, guys. So, if you enjoy ABBI responses,
You get bars now.
if you enjoy ABBI responses, people,
Which I know you guys did because ABBI is sensible and can give good advice, yeah.
sometimes.
Actually, can give relationship advice. And if you don't know that, ask my friend when named Jody. I gave her advice, and then she come and said, "Girl, you know, say you can't go do that with somebody." I was like, "Girl, I know." Right, you?
Jody, Mom, sorry, you're Jody. Let me take advice from ABBI.
What?
First, take advice from you.
When you should take advice from me?
Jody never had it turn to.
No?
You on the shoulders and link band.
I don't know if I was only shoulder. Maybe I was. I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, people.
Right, you?
If you don't enjoy ABBI responses, them, make one in the comment section.
Yeah, guys, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new.
Yeah, subscribe to ABBI and Capo. J.A.
Right, you. Make sure you subscribe to ABBI's Madness on the good girl answer.
And subscribe to Capo's TV.
Don't you worry, Capo. I remember follow Panogram right
Down
down here,
below.
so. Right down here, so.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
until then,
AC Gang is
out. Bye. Let me do that, Capo.
come now.
Bye. What's the way I there? Bye.